Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and today we are going to be making a pumpkin marshmallow pie. This pie is amazing. It's no bake. It comes together really quickly. The most time that you will spend is having it chill in the fridge. So I'm excited to share it with you. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.